It comes with no doubt that money is hard to actively earn, but it's never harder to do so passively. Don't you just wish you can sit around and do nothing, yet money keeps on streaming into your bank account? It sounds like quite a dream, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that it won't just be a dream anymore? Today, I found a new technique that will let you earn over $2,000 every month. All of these will be coming from various passive income streams, which means you don't have to work hard, nor will you need any highly technical skills for this. It's all totally on autopilot. Here's the catch though, you have to make sure that you watch this video carefully so that you can follow my directions, step by step. If you miss out on even a single step, you can miss out on potentially maximizing your earning potential. So get ready because this short video will help you reach financial freedom. Now the first website I want to introduce to you is reddit.com. Honestly, it doesn't need an introduction because it's a super popular platform for web content rating, social news, and basically a platform open for any type of discussion on the web. Another website that I will be introducing you today is the platform called Kickbooster.me. On this website, you can join different campaigns and firms to generate money online. On the homepage, you will see a section for affiliates. I want you to click on that so that you will be redirected to a subpage which talks about this program. If you scroll down a bit on this page, you will see the different steps on becoming an affiliate for Kickbooster. First is to sign up for a free account, which I will show you how. Next is choosing a project to promote. There are tons of projects you can find on the marketplace, but don't worry as I will be showing you which campaigns to choose. Next, your affiliate link will be generated for you and all you have to do is to share it. Finally, the last step is to get paid. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's begin our journey with creating a free account. So if you click this button right here that says Sign Me Up on the affiliates page, you will be redirected to another page which you will be filling out basic details such as your name, email, your PayPal account, your preferred referral code, and a password. Usually for referral codes, I'd use my name so it's easier to remember. Once you're done, just hit submit and your account is almost ready. Just check your email inbox and you'll see a confirmation email from Kickbooster. Just click on confirm and your account is all set. Now that your account is ready, you can now check out the marketplace by clicking this tab right here. Once you click that, you will be sent to a page with featured campaigns where you'll find a variety of campaigns and initiatives that you can promote or boost. This means that you can just grab your link and share it on forums such as Reddit, which I have introduced to you earlier, then you can start getting paid. While we wait for the link to be generated, I'd like to ask you, my dear viewers, what kinds of campaigns do you support? Are you into beauty campaigns, education campaigns, or maybe even technology-related campaigns? Comment your responses down below and let's talk about these campaigns. Now let's get back to the video. As you can see, there are a lot of campaigns to choose from here, such as campaigns on beauty and healthcare, design, education, up to technology and even travel. Basically, we can profit off to so many varieties of campaigns. Now I want you to click on Staff Picks and sort the campaigns from highest to lowest by commission by clicking on the drop-down menu here. Choosing among the staff picks ensures that you'll see the top most recommended programs on Kickbooster. This will save you a lot of time on researching the campaign so you can start earning right away. Choose among these top campaigns here. Once you feel like you've chosen the most strategic campaign for you, click on Boost this campaign. You will be redirected to a page that talks about this campaign and how much commission you will earn for every promotion you make on this campaign. Now all you have to do is click on Boost this campaign. You will now be redirected to a page where your booster link is being generated. This link is important as this will be the one that you will share on Reddit. You may have to wait for a little while for Kickbooster to generate your link, so hold on your horses, fellas. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Once your unique referral link has been generated, just copy the entire thing and hold on to it for a while because I will show you how you can use it on Reddit. Now I want you to look for Reddit, threads, and forums that are related to the campaign you chose. For example, if you chose a card game to boost, look for card game subreddits. If you chose a beauty-related campaign to boost, look for health and beauty subreddits to post your link on. Next, I want you to write a template for your posts which you will simply copy and paste everywhere on these subreddits to increase the chances of your links getting clicked and boosted. This template doesn't need to be highly technical, nor does it need flowery words. You just need to describe the campaign. You can use the campaign's description written on Kickbooster to help you out. Once you spread the word about the campaign, all you have to do is wait for the money to come streaming in. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.